Okay, so Enos is saying, let me know if it's Enos or Inos. I'm going to go with Enos. Connected neurons, maybe? Okay. Alberto says a network of neurons to make a prediction. Okay. Anybody else? I'm going to give you guys another minute here. Rosendo says shows the probability of how variables are connected. Okay. Lanry. Lanry says a computer system that tries to learn like a human brain. Okay, Lanry. I think I'll give you guys a hint. Lanry is headed in the direction of an answer that I would give. Vitor says, I think in some attempts to imitate a human being neural network with neurons and stuff. Okay, Vitor. Vitor and Lanry are on the right track. Not that the other answers are wrong, by the way. I'm just trying to help you guys understand how I would present this to like a business stakeholder, right? So I believe I left it with Kago. Kago, am I saying that right? Kago? Kago says a layered approach to predict the output where the weights are updated at each layer. Okay. Yassine says it's like a little kid learning from the things we show. Okay, nice. I love Yassine's usage of like non-technical terms, right? I like that. I like that. Okay, Enos. Okay, thank you so much, Enos. Starry Vibe says learn patterns from data inspired by how the human brain processes information. All right, cool. Cool. All very good answers. Yeah. So I think all of you guys are on the right track, right?